Morning YouTubers, welcome back to Allotment Diggers. You might have, this is uncomfortable the way I've got my arms around her at the moment, but I mean, the only other place that can have them is like this, like a bloody teapot. Anyway, here we are, New Year's Eve, quick little video, 12 minutes long it's going to last. There's going to be a lot of music in it. You're going to see January, February, March, April, May, June, all the way up until December. Pop up each month. Each clip lasts about a minute, and basically what it's doing is showing you a video diary of what the plots look like over the last 12 months. We have done several of these videos over the years. I think I'm at number 12 of maybe 13 at the moment of these videos. Basically they're for myself, a little video diary. Like a lot of people keep written diaries and picture diaries. Well, I like to keep a video diary, and since I'm doing it for myself, I thought I'd share it with you guys. And well, here it comes. So, New Year's Eve 2020, this is what the plots look like over the last 12 months. So it's been a tough 12 months, as you know. Not so much here on the plot, but you know, as in life outside these gates. It's been an hard one. What with this bloody COVID and what have you. And you know, it's still not out of the woods yet. It won't be long before we all have us vaccines and can get back to life. But I think we're in for another 6 months of misery. Like I say, Buttercup, she's joined the happy family on the allotments. She's a right pain in the backside at times, but she's doing one good thing. She's keeping my legs warm at the moment, aren't you? Hey, you're keeping my legs warm, yeah, you babe. Absolute pleasure to know she is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I say, it was just a short one, but yeah, that's what the plots look like this year. Wonder what it's going to look like next year. Well, if you tune in, hit that subscribe and hit that bell, you'll get to see what the plot looks, what it looks like next year. Anyway, that's it for this one. I just want to wish you all an happy new year. And like I said, me and Buttercup now are just going to chill out for for an hour or two. Got a coffee here. I've got a few butties. I'm just going to do a little bit of pondering, potting around, see what mischief I can get up to. But that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment below, and I'll see you all back here in 2021. Wow, 2021. How old will you be then? I'll be old. You'll still be a baby, won't you? Yeah, I'll be old and she'll still be a pain in the backside. So until then, thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.